Okay, bro. So for today, I want you to work on your major chord. Okay, your major chord on different shape. Show you the key of E, your major scale. Okay, and I show you the pentatonic. Show you the pentatonic sequence. So for today, I want you to start playing your chord. Do chord, your va chord. Sol chord, your va chord. So, do. You have your do. So this is your do, the do. Okay, your major scale, your major chord is formed of the do, sol, and va. Sorry. Yes, your major chord is do, sol, and va, which is your va, sol, do. So the do is form of do, sol, do, mi, sol, do, any of them, okay? The do chord is a do, sol, do, mi, okay? Do, sol, do, mi, do, sol, do, mi, okay? You use your first finger to hold your root here, while your ring finger will bar the three notes here, the sol, do, and mi, okay? Sorry. Okay, while this is your va. The va is the key of F major. Okay, because if you want to run, this is your do, re. Okay, the va here is in the key of F. Okay, this is the key of F. So if you want to hold your F major, you hold it this way. Do, mi, so, do. So that would be va, la, do, va, la. So note that from the va chord is va, la, do, and va. Okay. Then the sol, the same thing. You hold it the same shape. The sol is in the key of G. This is a G major. Okay. So the sol will be a sol, ti, re, sol, sol, ti, re, sol. So you use your ring finger to hold on the sol, while your index finger goes to the T. Then your first finger bar the re and the sol. Okay. So you can hold your do this way also. This is your root. This is your mi. This is your sol. Your sol is the open note. And your do again. The mi open note. So you can place your ring finger on the root here, while your index finger goes into the mi, the fourth string here, okay? Then your first finger goes on the root here, the second string, the do again. Okay, then you strum. Then you strum all. So you can have your do here also. This is your open fret do chord. Va, sol, do. You can hold your do here also. Okay. So we have another root of do here.